Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Next, we can apply about the power rule of the derivative. So we have y equals to a to the power of n equal. So if we do first derivative, so we have n a to the power of n minus 1, and we do first derivative of a. So for this one, we have like this. So this one, we have negative number 4. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of number 1. This is about the constant. So you got 0. So we just only do first derivative of this one. So for this one, we have like this. So we apply the formula in here. So that should be like this. So we do first derivative of square root of 1 minus s. We do first derivative of 1 minus s. We have negative number 1. That's why we have negative sign here. And 2 with the square root 1 minus s, that will be in here. So negative, negative, we simplify. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.